like that's another thing people think, I guess, whenever they first start shooting open, is they think that, hey, I don't have to grip it as hard. It's like, no, you have to grip it the same amount.
Yeah,
right? Like,
you won't see the benefit of the open gun until you grip it the same. Now, the caveat there is that when every now and then some of the guys will ask me to shoot my gun on a stage, right? Oh, can I shoot your gun on the stage just to see what it's like to shoot open? So, and I'll tell them, okay, you're probably going to try to go fast because you're shooting an open gun. So ease up on your grip a little bit, because you know what happens. You try to go fast, you're going to tense up, you're going to trigger freeze.